Okay, students, I have sent you the picture in the group. I have shared the picture in the group. So we have to find the equation of a circle whose center is at the origin and passing through the point minus 6, 8. So we know we can find the equation of a circle if we know the center and if we know the radius. In this question, Mustafa Shahid 64242. So we can find the equation of a circle if we know the center and if we know the radius. We do not know the radius. So therefore, we will first of all will find the radius. Radius will be the distance between the center and the point P. CP, the distance will be the radius. So first of all, we'll find the radius. First of all, we'll find the radius. How to find the radius? We will use the distance formula to find the radius. When the 2 points are given, we will use the distance formula to find the radius. This is the distance formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. This is the distance formula which will be used to find the distance between the point C and P. And this is the radius. The distance between the point C and P is the radius. So we will find the radius by using the distance formula. So radius will be equal to x2 is this one minus 6 minus 0 whole square plus 8 minus 0 whole square whole under root. Minus 6 minus 0 whole square. So minus 6 minus 0 will be minus 6. Minus 6 whole square will be 36. Plus 8 minus 0 whole square will be 8 square. 8 square will be 64. So radius will become under root 100. That is 10. That is equal to 10. So radius is 10. Now we know the radius is 10 and we know the center 0, 0. We can find the equation of the circle. So equation x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 10 square. Radius is 10. Radius is 10. So it will become x square plus y square is equal to 100 or x square plus y square minus 100 equal to 0. So this one or this one, both are correct equations. You may write any one of them. 64105 7 मोहम्मद 7 6 So we found the equation x square plus y square is equal to 100 or x square plus y square minus 100 equal to 0.
सर मैं पहले से ही क्लास में हूँ, ये कोई और आया मेरे नाम से
जी
रिमूव कर दे इसको। मैं पहले से ही क्लास में हूँ, ये कोई और आया नाम से मेरे।
तुम्हारे नाम से कोई और भी आया है?
जी मेरी आईडी पे तस्वीर लगी हुई है। तो जो दूसरी है वो रिमूव करना है।
64105
कोई
ये आपकी
बदतमीजी
तरफ की
करेगा
बात
अगला
है,
वाले महीना।
ठीक है मैं देख लेता हूँ। 64105 मैं देख लेता हूँ बेटा, अच्छा किया तुमने बता दिया।
आपने नाम लिया ना तो मेरे को आवाज आ रही, मैंने कहा मैं तो हूँ ऑलरेडी।
64105 मोहम्मद साद शेख।
सर चला गया वो,
अच्छा चला
रिमूव हो गया खुद।
खुद ही रिमूव हो गया। तो साद उस पर लिखा हुआ था 64105, बिल्कुल सही।
जी जी
चला गया, अब नहीं है वो।
सही है।
ठीक है बेटा, तो सेंटर और एक पॉइंट हमें गिवन था, तो हमने क्या किया, उस पॉइंट और सेंटर के जरिए जो हमने रेडियस फाइंड आउट कर लिया डिस्टेंस फार्मूला अप्लाई करके। जब रेडियस निकल आया तो हमने सर्कल का फार्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया है, x माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर। वो फार्मूला अप्लाई करके हमने इक्वेशन बना दी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। 4 भी ऐसे ही है, सेंटर एट द ओरिजिन पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट। अब 5 में सेंटर गिवन है, रेडियस गिवन है, ये भी उसी तरह है। 6 में भी यही है, 7 में भी सेंटर पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन। अब यहाँ सेंटर ओरिजिन पर था और पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट -6 8 था। और ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में सेंटर -1 -4 है और पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन है। इसमें भी पहले आपको रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा एंड देन यू आर एबल टू फाइंड द, तो ये हम चले कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। सेंटर -1 -4 and passing through 0, 0 passing through origin। ये 0, 0 है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। अभी हमने दोनों पॉइंट्स के दरमियान का फासला फाइंड आउट करना, डिस्टेंस, दैट विल बी द रेडियस। सेंटर टू द पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल, the distance between the center and the to the point on the circle will be the radius. So first of all, we'll find the radius. Radius will be under root -1 -0 whole square plus -4 -0 whole square. It will be equal to -1 -0 will be -1 whole square will be 1 plus -4 -0 whole square will be -4 square will be 16. Whole under root is equal to under root 70. This is the radius. Now we'll find the equation. X minus center -1 -1 will be +1 plus y minus the y coordinate of the center -4 minus +4 whole square is equal to radius whole square under root 17 whole square. It will be, open it, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 70. Shift 17 on this side, it will become x square plus y square plus 2x plus 8y plus 1 plus 16 will be 17 17 minus 17. This is 1 plus 16 will be 17, and minus 17 will be equal to 0. So the final answer is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 8y equal to 0. 17 minus 17 cancel out. So this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the equation. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 8y equal to 0. That was question number 7. Eight is the same, center is given, and the point is 1 point is given. So we will take by distance formula, we will find R, and then we will, center is also given, we will use the same formula. Now question number 9, ends of diameter -2, -6 and 1, 5. Ends of diameter are given. Question number 9. Question number 9.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
जी बेटा बोलिए।
जो अभी सवाल किया था हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, उसमें हमने x स्क्वायर माइनस x1 वाला फॉर्मूला लगाया था रेडियस
स्क्वायर जी वही है ना, x1 y1 जो है वो आपका सेंटर है।
जी सर।
जब आप इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्किल निकालते हैं तो उसमें आप x माइनस x कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द सेंटर होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द सेंटर होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर, ये करना है आपने। अब वो उसको आप h कह दें, g कह ले, c कह ले, k कह ले, कुछ भी कह ले, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द सेंटर को x में से माइनस करना है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ends of the diameter are given. क्या है? -2, -6 and 1, 5. These are the ends of the diameter, not the center. Both the points will be on the circle and they are the ends of the diameter. ये कुछ इस किस्म का होगा कि ये अगर आपके पास सर्कल है, this is the circle. Ends of diameter, ये diameter होता है which is passing through the center. Diameter is 2 times of the radius. Diameter is 2 times, this is the radius. This is the radius. So diameter is the 2 times of the radius and it is passing through the center. यूं भी हो सकता है, यूं भी हो सकता है, यूं भी हो सकता है, but it is always passing through the center. So एक पॉइंट ये है -2, -6, एक पॉइंट ये 1, 5. So first of all we'll find the center. Center will be the midpoint of this midpoint of the diameter. This will be the center. Center is at the middle of these 2 points. So this is the midpoint. We will use the midpoint formula to find the center. We will use the midpoint formula to find the center. So midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the midpoint formula. That will be used to find the center. That will be used to find the center. So we will find the center. Therefore, minus 2 plus 1 upon 2, comma, minus 6 plus 5 upon 2. This is the center. So it will become minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 upon 2, comma, minus 6 plus 5 will be minus 1 upon 2. These are the coordinates of the center. These are the coordinates of the center. So this is minus 1 upon 2, comma, minus 1 upon 2. Now we will find radius. Radius can be found by two methods. Either we find the center to this point, from center to this point, that will be the radius, as we have already found, or center to this point, that will be the radius. One way. We will take center and any one of the two endpoints of the radius to find the any one end point of the diameter to find the radius, or we will find the diameter by using the same distance formula, and then we half the diameter, that will be the radius. Half of the diameter will be this is the diameter whole. Radius will be half of this one. Use these two points to find the diameter, and then divide it by 2, you will get the radius. Okay, we will use these 2 points to find the diameter. Diameter under root. Use the distance formula. Minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 6 minus 5 whole square. Whole under root. This is the diameter. Minus 2 minus 1 whole square minus 6 minus 5 whole square. It will become minus 3 whole square plus minus 11 whole square, whole under root. 9 plus 121. Under root 130. This is the diameter. Radius will be half of this one. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Radius will be equal to diameter upon 2. It will become under root 30. Under root 130 divided by 2. This is the radius. Now we know the center. We found the radius. Now we will use the same formula, x minus x coordinate of the center plus whole square plus y minus y coordinate of the center whole square is equal to radius square. Okay, so we are doing over there. So equation x minus x coordinate minus minus plus 1 over 2 whole square plus y minus the y coordinate minus 1 over 2, it will become plus 1 over 2 whole square is equal to radius square under root 30 under root 130 upon 2 whole square. So what will become? X square plus 2 times of x and 1 over 2, 2ab, 2 into x into 1 over 2, it will be x plus 1 over 2 square, 1 over 4 plus y square plus 2 times of y into 1 over 2 will be y plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, 1 over 2 square will be 1 over 4, as 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4 will be equal to under root 130 square will be 130 and 2 square will be 4. Two square will be 130 upon 4. Okay, further simplify. This is, I'm rewriting x square x square plus y square plus x plus y x square plus y square x square plus y square plus x plus y plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will be 2 over 4 is equal to 130 upon 4. One 30 upon 4 will be shifted on this side. X square plus y square plus x plus y plus 2 over 4 minus 130 over 4 equal to 0. It will become x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 128 upon 4. So 128 upon 4 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8. So answer is, final answer, x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 32 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle whose end point of the diameter are -2, -6 and 1, 5. This is the required equation. X square plus y square plus x plus y minus 32 equal to 0. Center. Question number 10. Center on the line 2y is equal to 3x. Center on the line 2y is equal to 3x. Tangent to the y-axis and radius is 2. Tangent to the y-axis and radius is 2. Okay, question number 10. Have you understood this question? In this question, first we find the center by using the midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. In this way, we will find the coordinates of the midpoint. Midpoint that will be the center. Coordinates of the center. After that, we will find the diameter by using the given 2 points. Otherwise, we can find the radius directly by taking the center and the 1 point of the given 2 points. One of the 2 given points and the center to find the radius. After finding the radius and center, we will use the same formula, x minus the x coordinate of the center whole square plus y minus y coordinate of the center whole square whole under root equal to r square. Question number 10. This is a bit complicated question. Center at the line y is equal to 3 over 2, tangent to the y-axis and radius is 2. The radius is also given. Question number 10. Two y, center on the line 2y is equal to 3x. This is the line. Center will be on this line. And the circle tangent to the y-axis. This is tangent to the y-axis. That means the circle is touching the y-axis. Circle is touching the y-axis. And the center will be over there. radius is 2, it is also given. So from center to this point, it will be the 2 distance. And you know that tangent always be 90 degree. If you draw a line from center to the tangent, it will be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. When it is 90 degree, it means it's parallel to the x-axis. So that means the radius is 2. Therefore, this is the center. Here the x coordinate is 2. Radius is 2 from here to here. This is the 2 distance. So x is 2. The coordinate of x of the center is 2. X coordinate of the center is 2. We can find the y coordinate, put x is equal to 2 over there. So 2y, therefore 2y is equal to 3x. So 2y will be equal to 3 into 2. This is the x from here to here. X is 2. Y will be equal to 6. So y will be equal to 6 over 2. So y coordinate will be 3. Radius is 2. X coordinate is 2 because this is tangent to the y-axis. When it is touching to the y-axis, that means the distance will be 2. So this is from y to this point up to 2. So this is from y to this point is the x coordinate of the center. X coordinate of the center is 2. So y coordinate, we will use the equation 2y is equal to 3x to find the y coordinate at this point on the circle, on the line. When this is the line, when x is 2 on this line, so y will be find by the equation, that is 3.
Excuse me, sir.
जी कहिए
सर ये s की वैल्यू 2 कहाँ से आ गई सर?
ये
s की वैल्यू
टेंजेंट है
2
बेटा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये टेंजेंट है, गिवन है, टेंजेंट टू द y coordinate y axis. Question number 10, center on the line 2y is equal to 3x, tangent to the y
जी
axis
सर,
and radius is 2.
जी सर,
तो टेंजेंट क्या होता है, हमेशा 90 डिग्री टच करता है वो सर्कल को. टेंजेंट का क्या मतलब, लाइन विच इज टचिंग टू द सर्कल एट वन पॉइंट एंड ऑलवेज बी 90 degree to the radius, always be 90 degree to the radius. So this is the tangent. ये इसको टेंजेंट है, टच कर रहा है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का रेडियस होगा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस. रेडियस 2 गिवन है, तो दैट मीन दिस इज द 2 पॉइंट, this is the distance 2 and this is the x coordinate from origin to this one.